Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Sugandha and today we are going to talk about K-beauty and how to use it for our very own Indian skin. While we all love our K-beauty routine, sometimes it's not feasible to do a 10-step routine in our daily lives due to certain reasons. We are all crunched for time in the daily hustle bustle of life. The population, heat and climate can make the 10-step routine on Indian skin can be very heavy, and our skin DNA is not same as well. So as a result, we will be modifying a 10-step routine to suit our Indian skin type. So let's get started. The first two steps of the routine is always cleansing, and cleansing is divided into two parts: oil-based cleansers and water-based cleansers. While it may seem like a lot, popularly known as double cleansing, but it is very beneficial for Indian skin. This is because we sweat a lot and that can cause us to feel greasy and oily throughout the day. Using an oil-based cleanser such as the Cialis Day Gel can break down the SPF, makeup, dirt and anything that has been accumulated on the skin effectively. And follow this up with the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, which is gentle on the skin and cleanses the skin without stripping the natural oils from your skin and leaving the skin hydrated all day long. Next, use a gentle toner. This will help your skin to refresh and helps your skin to prep well to absorb the other products better. They are also great to hydrate and balance the skin's pH. And we recommend the Unpa Lactosica Soothing Toner. This has oil balancing and hydrating ingredients that helps to soothe down the redness, inflammation and irritation on the skin. And that is something we Indians are prone to. Now this also helps to soothe and calm down the skin and also strengthen the skin's barrier. Next, use a serum or ampule. This is a crucial step to treat your hyperpigmentation, acne, scarring, signs of aging, etc. Serums are slightly more concentrated version of your essence, so you do not need to use two products for your skin because it might feel heavy during the day. Serums may essentially improve your skin's overall health as they are emollients, which means they have potent ingredients in them. And we absolutely love our cult favorite Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop, which contains 5% of pure L-ascorbic acid, and it helps with your hyperpigmentation, sunspot, darkness, dull skin, fine lines, wrinkles and many more. This is suitable for all skin types, sensitive skin and beginners too. Now always follow this step with an eye cream such as the Listen Eye Grease Cream. But again, a good serum or moisturizer with brightening and repairing ingredient can do the job well. And based out of our personal preference, you can always use this step as an additional step. Locking in the moisture is essential from all the previous mentioned steps. And since Indians have that skin which is on oilier side, a gel or a matte moisturizer can do wonders to your skin. Remember, even oily skin cannot skip this step, and this is a must for everyone. And we absolutely love the One Thing Centella Soothing Cream, which is lightweight and fast absorbing and is hydrating. It leaves no greasiness behind, and the best part is that it helps to calm down the irritation and soothes the skin. It also helps to make your skin look plump, hydrated and supple. And lastly, SPF is the ultimate bestie for anyone and everyone. This is the most crucial step in your routine. This can protect your skin, and this also makes sure that all the products you have used actually do their job effectively. And without using SPF, all the products applied can have little effect or of no effect. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen like the Listen Soothing Shade, which is non-greasy and glides onto the skin like dream. It is SPF 50+ and it is sweat-proof and very lightweight. So remember, while Koreans can add steps such as exfoliation and mask, Indian skin do not need all these steps. We also have oilier skin that is prone to inflammation, so we do not need to include a lot of hydrating products in our routine. And at the end of the day, skincare is totally personal and can be tailored according to your skin type and your skin concern. We hope this helped, and do let us know in the comment if you love K-beauty and what is your most important step which you cannot live without. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, bye!